Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.01. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur. The 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately minus 27% to minus 16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, this indicates a potential decrease of nearly 29% over the next year, with a possible return spanning from around minus 41% to nearly minus 5%. This suggests a price range of approximately $68 to $109 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock downgraded to sell candidate. The stock price for Advanced Micro Devices gained approximately 0.33% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025, rising from $114.28 to $114.66. It has now experienced gains for 7 consecutive days. Such a sustained upward trend is uncommon, and it is reasonable to expect a pullback over the next few days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.63%, with a low of $113.14 and a high of $116.11. Although the stock has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains down by approximately 4.05% during this period. Trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 27 million shares traded, amounting to about $3.09 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $227.30, while the lowest was $106.50. Currently, the price is approximately 49.56%, or $112.64 below the 52-week high of $227.30, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, often referred to as AMD, currently finds itself at an intriguing crossroads. It is garnering attention as an undervalued stock amidst an all-time high environment for the S&P 500, with analysts projecting a potential upside of 20% for the year 2025. Despite the fierce competition posed by Nvidia, AMD has recorded impressive revenue growth in the data center sector with a year-over-year increase of 69%, showcasing strong performance, even if it did not fully meet market expectations. The early launch of AMD's MI350 chips could serve as a timely catalyst for sales momentum, helping to mitigate recent weaknesses reflected in investor sentiment. Analysts believe that AMD is gaining better traction in the artificial intelligence market than Wall Street currently acknowledges. This notion is further supported by the impending release of its MI300X chip series and the Rahiam software suite, both aimed at enhancing AMD's competitive positioning. These advancements, along with AMD's efforts to close the competitive gap with Nvidia and reclaim market share from Intel, illustrate a growth trajectory that could appeal to investors seeking value. While there is a degree of caution surrounding AMD's reliance on artificial intelligence, where a winner-takes-all dynamic could present challenges, the company's growth potential in AI sectors justifies its current valuation. For investors, this represents a near-term opportunity, as new catalysts may emerge from AMD's adaptive strategies in an increasingly dynamic tech landscape. Such developments could positively influence the stock price in both the short and long term as AMD carves out its niche in the evolving AI-driven market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 19, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Advanced Micro Devices an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo also assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, Citigroup gave AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Earlier on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, KeyBank rated AMD as overweight with a hold action. However, on Friday, January 10, 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned AMD a neutral rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $117.89. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $112.45. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, February 7, 2025, and so far it has risen 6.88%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 76 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 70 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices has established support from accumulated volume at $112.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, its risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.97 between its high and low, representing a movement of 2.63%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited daily average volatility of 2.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. Nevertheless, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 94 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $115.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $112.01. If this support level is maintained, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of February, 2025, Norad Forest Eugene executed an insider purchase of 10,995 shares of common stock. On the same day, Norad Forest Eugene also made an insider sale of 3,043 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Norad Forest Eugene sold 10,995 shares of restricted stock units. On the same date, Huinjak M conducted an insider purchase of 2,474 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on that day, Huinjak M sold 603 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 16.710. Overall, insiders acquired 1,077,579 shares and divested 1,490,503 shares in the latest 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Currently, Advanced Micro Devices is showing several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower, approximately 0.23 of a dollar, starting at $114.64. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? And remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.